How to withdraw Notcoin from Telegram wallet. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up the exchange of your choice where you want to receive your Notcoin from the Telegram chain or the Ton chain. And suppose I want to receive my Notcoins on the Binance. I will simply open up the wallet section of Binance, then click on deposit, and after that search for Notcoin, then select it. After that, make sure that you choose the network of Toncoin, and after that select OK. Then copy the address from here, and you would be requiring this particular address on your Ton chain or your Telegram wallet. Simply copy this particular address and open up Telegram wallet, and over here just open up your Notcoins and click on this option of send. After that, paste the address. Then it would also require memo. Simply open up Binance and copy this particular memo from Binance and paste it on the Tonchain wallet. Make sure that you enter everything correctly, otherwise your funds might get lost forever. So do it properly. After copying and pasting both these information, the deposit address and the memo, you would be able to send your Notcoin quite easily to Binance or any other exchange for that matter. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.